Hello everyone, welcome to What, Why, How session of IS Baba. Today we are going to discuss some of the science and tech and environment topics. First one, olive ridley turtle. So we got one turtle, the olive ridley turtle, and the identity of that turtle. That means some name or number. Okay. So this has been swimming from your Odisha coast to all the way to Ratnagiri coast of Maharashtra. That means it had swam up to 4,500 kilometers. And in that perspective, these olive ridley turtles, they are also considered as one of the flagship species of India, and they lay their eggs here in Gahirmata, Rushikulya, and other roosting places. Yes, likewise. And the IUCN status of olive ridley turtles are vulnerable and it belongs to CITES Appendix 1. Yes, and come to next. Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. China and India both have come together to restart Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, and it has been stopped because of Galwan Valley controversy, COVID-19, all those things. And say Ministry of External Affairs will take care of this yatra. A brief geography of Kailash Mansarovar Yatra goes this way. Like here we have the junction of India, Nepal, and Tibet, and here somewhere we have this Kailash and Mansarovar. Yes, Mansarovar is a glacier, Kailash is a mountain range. Then here we can also see the Lhasa and Shigatse highway, so which the Chinese government has constructed, and this Lhasa to Shigatse. So this is mainly constructed to make sure that the Chinese government has good touch and communication with Nepal. So this was also a bone of contention which hurt India because so India mainly happens to be the communicating channel for most of Nepalian goods and services. And if a new way from China is found, that means the Nepal is already skeptical of India for being big brother, and might be it has been finding another pathway to say relieve big brother from his duty and in order to be more nearer to China than to India. So say these two geography becomes important here. Then trade war. China's tightening of the control of rare earth elements is choking off the global supplies. Because of Donald Trump's levying of tariffs, China has come up with stopping of the exports of rare earth elements. Friends, what are these rare earth elements? So these are the elements found in the lanthanide series. So here we can see the lanthanide and this is actinides. So these are mostly the lanthanide series, and these are the trace elements in some coals and some coal fired power plants, and say they can be combustion by products, they can be along with the ores, or they can be along with any other stones and minerals, etc. Yes, and so they are some 17 indistinguishable. It is very difficult to distinguish one from another, and they are lustrous, shining, silvery white, soft, heavy metals. And compounds containing rare earths have diverse applications in electrical and electronic components like circuits and others, lasers, glass, magnetic materials, and other industrial processes. The term rare earth is a misnomer because they are not actually scarce, but historically it took a longer time to isolate these elements. To identify these, we took longer time, but so they are very much present in the Earth's crust. So it is not so rare as the name speaks. Yes, likewise. So these are some of the facts for today. Keep revising regularly.